Once upon a time, a Zen master was addressing a gathering of people. All the people were listening to his discourse with great interest. He was answering the questions asked by them. But among those people, there was one young man in the gathering who was sitting quietly and silently. But he was not focused on the discourse of the Zen master and was lost in thoughts. The Zen master took notice of that man on the very first day, but did not say anything. But when this went on for 4 to 5 days, he called the young man and asked, "You are sad all the time. You sit alone and keeps thinking. You don't even pay attention to my discourses. What's the matter? Is there any problem?" The young man said hesitatingly, "Sir, something has happened in my past, because of which I am troubled. I don't understand what to do." The Zen master was very wise. He called the young man at his place in the evening. When the young man reached at the Zen master's place in the evening, the Zen master called him inside and made him sit. Then he himself went to the kitchen and started making lemon water. He deliberately put more salt in the lemon water. The Zen master came out of the kitchen and gave a glass of lemon water to the young man and said, "Take it, drink lemon water." As soon as the young man took a sip of the glass in his hand, his mouth became strange due to the taste of excess salt. Seeing this, the Zen master asked, "What happened? Did not you like the taste of lemon water?" The young man said, "No, sir, it is not like that. There is just a little too much salt in the lemon water." The Zen master said, "Oh, I see. Then it is useless. Give me the glass, I will throw it." The Zen master extended his hand to take the glass from the young man. But the young man refused and said, "No, sir, just salt is too much. If you add some more sugar in it, then the taste will be fine." Hearing this, the Zen master became serious and said, "You are right, my friend. Now understand this too. This lime water is your life. Excess salt dissolved in it is your past bad experiences. Just like salt cannot be taken out of the bowl, similarly, those bad experiences cannot be separated from your life. Those bad experiences are also a part of your life. But like we can change the taste of lemon water by adding more sugar in it, similarly, to forget the past bad experiences, one has to mix sweetness in life. That's why you need to add some more sweetness to your life now." The young man understood the point of the Zen master and decided that now he will not be troubled by the past experiences. If we see in our lives, then we will find that often in our life we keep feeling sad by remembering the bad memories and experiences of the past. Thus, we are not able to pay attention to our present and even spoil our future somewhere. Past is gone, and what has happened cannot be rectified. You will only hurt yourself by remembering the past. Past is a place to learn from, not to live in. You need to forget the past and make new sweet memories today. Bring some sweet and happy moments in your life. Only then there will be sweetness in your life.